Hi, my name's John. Welcome to another Sunday night nightcap. Tonight's nightcap has got a proper mixture of things in it. There's some welding, some machining, some plasma cutting. In part 2 of the nightcap, I go away with Richard on Wednesday. We went across to Cumbria to a place called Old Hole Farm. There's a gentleman there called Alex. He's actually repairing and rebuilding steam engines under the name of Fowler Engineering. It's a fantastic place. We actually went there to see an old Sentinel steam wagon that Richard used to own and Richard had restored, and Alex now owns it. I didn't realise what I was in for when I went there, or I would have taken better cameras and better tripods. I got quite a lot of film. We spent half a day there working on the wagon, and I was trying to get some video. I really want to go back and try and do the place justice with some video. The bit of video I put on, it's alright, but it's not the quality I normally try and get. Like I say, all the shots were all handheld. I normally use a tripod as much as possible. Anyway, I'm sure you'll enjoy it.
Yeah, got one.
Exactly.
At last, good lad. There you go. Lee Warren.
That was great, Nick. Thanks for that. So all you've got to do is send me your address and I'll get that scraper off to you straight away next week. I'm going to do another draw this week. This week's draw is going to be for 2 little engineer's clamps. Brand new, they are in their packets. Quite handy little tools. When you use these, they actually clamp parallel to jaws, both close at the same time. If you want to go out winning these 2 clamps, all you have to do, as usual, send me an email with your name on, your full name, like John Mills, not just John. That's my email up there. Your name will go into the bucket. If it's drawn out, I'll post it to you anywhere in the world, completely free of charge. All it is a little way for me saying thanks very much for all the help and support I've had. These items here are actually sent in by a viewer, purely and simply to be used either for me to keep and use or to be used in the giveaway. I have got quite a few of these. I've got some I actually made when I was at school and I've still got them. Anyway, you never know, you might win. The response I had from the Banggood tool review is on the whole been very good. 1 or 2 people didn't like it, but basically everybody thought it was a good idea. I'm going to do another one. I've actually asked them to send us a face mill for my milling machine, a multi-tip face mill, because I haven't got one. I've got one, but I've got no tips for it. It's old. They're going to send us a one, and I'll give that a thorough test and see what we can do with that. Right, so what we can do, we can click on here, and we can do a dummy run. This will show you how it's going to cut it out. So it's doing the holes first. And cut the last hole out. My plasma's now turned on, set at 44, 45 amps. Air pressure set at 70. doesn't look too shabby at all, that. I mean, the holes could do with a drill putting through them, but it's certainly not a bad result. I've got a nice straightforward turning job to do. That's actually a pulley off Richard's sent to a steam wagon, where it's a carrier for a pulley, there's a pulley goes in there. Make the pulley and make the pin. I think it was 2 3/4 inch diameter the pulley is. I've got a bit of 3 inch round bar in there. The load cell, what I'll do, I'll machine the pulley and I'll use a new part knob to then cut that off. That would be a good test for that as well. I think that'll do for the pulley for the steam wagon. Once I get this down to depth, which it's nearly there, I'll use a high-speed steel, like a fork. I've got a piece of high-speed steel here, just ground to a nice radius. Which is the same diameter as the cable that the pulley is going to be used on. Slow things down a bit. Try speeding things up a bit. Right, that's pretty good. You break the edges and then part it off. Right, I'll drill a hole in there and then part it off. cut off and leave enough so I can turn it around, gently grip it and reface that edge there. That's the original tip that I used for all the testing I did on the tool, so I'll leave it in and show it performs. Used to be a lot simpler using white water on the lathe, but I haven't got round to clean the tank out yet. This is parting off using a power feed. Previously I've got my hand on the clutch just in case. But I've got quite a lot of confidence in this tool now. I have used it quite a bit. What you mustn't forget is the further in you get, the slower the surface speed becomes. This is where Snnc lathe increases the speed. It's not doing too bad. This is going in approximately 2 thou per rev. That's the feed rate. I did measure it last week. It's doing 155 RPM, that's what it's turning around at.